Hi everyone, so today we're going to talk about what Lesson 7 entails and how you can program your SpheroBolt using orientation sensors and nested conditionals to help you tell a story. So to get started, you need to know what orientation sensors are, and in the specific ones that we're using for this lesson are things like pitch, which measures when the bolt is being tilted forwards and backwards. You can think of this like in an airplane. When an airplane is ascending or descending, the nose of the plane is pitched upwards or pitched downwards. The same thing happens in a SpheroBolt. You can tilt the spheros forward or you can tilt it backwards, and that's going to be measured by the pitch sensors. The other orientation sensor that we're going to talk about is roll. It measures when the bolt is being tilted left or right. And again, you can think about this as in an airplane when the wings are tilting from side, to the left and to the right. The Sphero will also pick up whether it's being tilted to the left or to the right when you use the orientation sensor for roll. And the last orientation sensor we're going to use is yaw. Yaw measures when the bolt is being rotated either clockwise or counterclockwise. And you can think of this as the airplane using the rudder to move side to side, like in the image that you see on your screen. If you're rotating your Sphero clockwise or counterclockwise, spinning it like a top in either direction, that is what the yaw orientation sensor is going to pick up. The next thing you need to know to complete this lesson is what nested conditionals are. We've talked previously about conditionals. Now we're going to talk about what a nested conditional is. So a nested conditional is when you place an if-then-else block inside another if-then-else block. An example of this would be if bolt is pitched forward, then it's going to play the joke drum sound. Else, the bolt is pitched backwards, then it's going to play the thunder sound. Else, and so on and so on. An example of this can be seen on this slide right here, where you see a user clicking and dragging an if-then-else block inside another if-then-else block right there. And this can go on and on and on. And you're going to use these nested conditionals along with those sensors to create a program that will help you tell a story. And that's what this is explaining right here. You can keep going on and on and on. For example, having bolt play different sounds under certain conditions when the bolt is tilted by pitch, yaw, or turned counterclockwise, or rolled in a certain direction. So as you move forward through lesson 7, just remember that orientation sensors that we're going to use are pitch, roll, and yaw. I have the images of the airplane over on the right-hand side of this slide to help you remember the three. And then a nested conditional is just an if-then-else statement nested or placed inside another if-then-else statement. Go ahead and look back and review this video. If you need more help, please reach out to me, and I'll see you on the next lesson.